भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good morning, all. Welcome to the fifth day of induction program at Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Institute of Computer Applications and Management in New Delhi. So, in these 5 days of induction program, you must have seen a lot of media professionals in the media galaxy we are providing. And in this series, we have Ms. Shweta Kothari with us. She is a senior editor from TV News 9. And let's have a chat with her. Hi, Shweta. How are you?
Very well, ma'am. Thank you.
So, how was your session, and how did you like the students this time?
My session was brilliant. Students were very good, active listeners, active participants. They asked some brilliant questions that made me really think about the fact that the upcoming crop of journalists are far more aware as compared to when we were their age. So I had a very fun time interacting with students, and I think this is one of those good batches. I'm sure teachers are going to love teaching them.
All right, Shweta, you are in academics also, as well as you are very active in your professional field. So, what actual challenge you see, and what is the gap between academics and professional field you observe, and what advice will you give to these students to bridge this gap?
Ma'am, there's a lot of gap between what we actually do on a daily basis as journalists versus what we teach students. What we teach students is mostly academically driven, whereas what we do is very practical in nature. So I believe in order to bridge the gap that we have at the moment, you need more people from active journalism who are pursuing journalism to actually come and talk to students about their challenges, their expectations, what are the skills that students need, because sometimes students don't actually have the kind of skills they need to be employed. So those employable skills have to be they have to be incorporated within our curriculum from the very beginning, and which is where I think inviting more and more people who are actively pursuing journalism, who are working on a daily basis, helps students learn more and evolve more. At the same time, I think there should be more classes on skill building, so anchoring, reporting, what are the elements of anchoring and reporting, what are the challenges of working in a corporate world. All of that I should be incorporated as a part of the curriculum.
So I think we must plan some more sessions with you. And Shweta, like you interacted with the students, and I was observing you touched a part of AI and social media, digital media, fake news, such things also. What do you think is the right way to be safe in this era of artificial intelligence when it comes to journalism and mass communication?
Ma'am, the lines have not been drawn, unfortunately. So a lot of people who use AI restrict the usage to just learning from AI, not as much as incorporating that AI in their daily lives, or writing whole articles using AI, because that is unethical right now. So there is no clarity on ethical use of AI. But my suggestion to journalists is use AI, learn to how to give prompts to AI, because AI is not going away. So you must learn to incorporate it in your daily work life, while not use it to plagiarize, while not use it to simply copy paste, because that's not helpful. Use AI to effectively write better sentences, frame better structures, and use AI so that it can make your life easy. It may replace you. Those are the fears, that AI is soon going to replace a lot of people. But if you are able to effectively use AI, you will replace the people who don't know how to use AI.
Exactly, very right. Shweta, I also saw that students were very happy in your session. They were interacting, and you actually had a big fan following. So, what advice, or in fact, I would say, what tips would you like to give to our students so that they can excel or they can improvise more?
Ma'am, the only advice is to persevere. I think a lot of us give up early on. Some of us give us midway, because journalism is not easy. It's a difficult place to be. You've got to work very hard. There are very few rest days. So, by the way of gratification, is the work that you do. There's not a lot of money, which is again another major concern of journalism in India. So, the only gratification, therefore, you have is by the way of the work that you do. And so, therefore, I think my advice to students would be to persevere. Money will come, fame will come, it'll all come at its own time. But till that time, keep doing the work that you're doing, because remember, you were here for a reason to begin with. You could have been a banker, you could have been in an engineer, you could have been anything else, but you chose to be a journalist. So if you chose to be a journalist for the right reason, keep those reasons alive and intact. And they should help you continue on this path.
So thank you so much, Shweta. It was nice having you over here. And we all must keep the reasons alive and pursue journalism like a mission. With this, signing off, Dr. Sheelnidhi Tripathi with Shweta. Keep watching Bharti News.